Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install zenmap on Kali Linux 2024.2. Zenmap is the GUI tool for the nmap. Nmap is the network mapper tool. Okay, so by default we won't get the zenmap. See here in tools we don't have the zenmap, but we have the nmap. Nmap is command line tool. Okay, so open terminal, then install zenmap by running the command sudo apt install zenmap -kbx and hit enter. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, installation is success. Ctrl L to clear screen. Now click on menus, then search for zenmap. See, here we have the zenmap. Click on it. See, here we have the zenmap GUI, zenmap tool. Okay, so here we have to provide the target IP or host name. Then we have to select the type of the scan. Then we have to run. Okay. So if you provide IP, see, it will display here. You select the scan, these options will be changed. See, options has been changed. Okay, so we have successfully installed zenmap on Kali Linux 2024.2. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.